Ayurveda and Yoga Wisdom by Christy Smurl. In this section, we're going to look closer at Dinacharya and day-to-day self-care. Dinacharya are the Ayurvedic routines and day-to-day behaviors that keep balance between the doshas, dhatus, malas, agni, metabolism, mind and sense organs. May I suggest using the daily log in the back of this book to help track your day-to-day times, activities, self-care, and progress. In Ayurveda, some of the daily observances start right when the mind is awake in the morning. Wake up and look at something sacred. Look at your palms for courage, prosperity, and knowledge. Focus on something sacred, maybe a picture, a family photo, your pet, a yantra, a lamp, or nature. And spend time in prayer and meditation. Have peace in your mind right when you wake up in the morning, and this will determine your course of the day. Daily observances, or Dinacharya in Ayurveda, also looks at elimination. If diet and exercise and metabolism are healthy, the bowels and bladder should evacuate shortly upon awakening without artificial stimulation. If not, people can practice yogic techniques to help the evacuation of their bowels in the morning. Calisthenics such as Surya Namaskar or Pawan Muktasana 3 are very helpful. Also, take a look at the digestive types and nutrition according to your Prakriti and Vikruti. Other elements of Dinacharya self-care are oral care. They recommend brushing the teeth twice a day with soft, fine powders and soft bristles. Here's some good details. Vata oral types can use honey with triphala, cinnamon and or cardamom powder for mouth care. Pitta types can use powders of licorice and neem, nimba and rock salt, or triphala and cardamom for oral care. Kapha oral types can use powdered ginger with cardamom and cinnamon, or pepper and triphala. Another thing that Ayurveda recommends is chew 2 teaspoons of black sesame seeds till it becomes a liquid paste in the mouth. Then spit and rinse it out. This naturally improves the enamel of the teeth since black sesame seeds contain calcium and phosphorus. Ayurveda recommends using a mouthwash, a mouth fill decoction, which is a warm herbal mixture held in the mouth for about a minute and then spit out. This practice improves salivation, prevents mouth ulcers, prevents bad breath, improves taste, reduces headaches and toxins in the head and neck region. To do this, you can add a half or a full teaspoon of desired powders into a quarter or a half cup of hot water. Steep that for a couple minutes and then hold it in the mouth for 1 minute and then spit out. What herbs or powders do you use? Well, if you're a Pitta mouth type, try licorice, neem, triphala, cardamom. If a Vata mouth type is occurring, then try triphala with honey or licorice, cinnamon, and cardamom in the tea decoction that you hold in the mouth. For Kapha mouth concerns, try warm water mouth fill made with ginger, cardamom, cinnamon, black pepper, or triphala powders. Ayurveda recommends every day that you look at your tongue. A dry, cracked tongue indicates Vata aggression. A hot, red, ulcerated tongue indicates Pitta aggression. A swollen tongue with white, goopy coating indicates kapha aggression, so adjust dietary and lifestyle observances accordingly. Ayurveda recommends that you scrape the tongue with 3 strokes, either with a tongue scraper or a metal spoon, and this will remove debris, bacteria, and odor. Another great Ayurvedic practice to get into the habit of is oil pulling. Oil pulling strengthens the jaw, improves the voice, reduces cheek wrinkles, improves facial muscle and fascia tone. Oil pulling reduces a boggy double chin and promotes elimination of lymphatic congestion from the head, face, and oral pharyngeal region. Oil pulling improves taste, moisturizes the lips, reduces jaw pain and cracking. It prevents tooth decay and tooth sensitivity. Now, oil pulling is performed by holding and swishing 2 to 3 teaspoons of either raw sesame oil, coconut oil, or a specialty oil in the mouth for several minutes. Swish continuously for 5 to 10 minutes and then spit it out afterwards. Try other Ayurvedic natural mouth fresheners to reduce bad breath, lubricate, and cleanse the mouth. These Ayurvedic natural mouth fresheners also enhance digestion, reduce bacteria, and prevent disease. Try cardamom and clove to reduce any built-up kapha in the head and neck region. You can simply take a cardamom pod, put it in your mouth, and suck on it for about 5 minutes, and the little seeds inside will come out, and you can gently chew those up. You can put the clove in the side of the mouth, like cheek it, and suck on it for about 5 minutes, and then slowly nibble bit by bit away. Try fennel seeds to freshen the mouth, reduce bacteria, and balance pitta, gastric acidity, ulcers, or inflammation. For vata type things, you can try chewing a few cumin seeds or wild celery seeds. All of these will help freshen the breath, get rid of bacteria, viruses, and improve overall health. Now, a couple more things upon wakening. Ayurveda says that right when you wake up, drink 8 palmfuls of room temperature or warm water on an empty stomach, unless otherwise restricted. Ayurveda suggests drinking from a silver cup to soothe vata, a gold cup to soothe pitta, or a copper cup to ease kapha. Hydration in the morning prevents malabsorption, constipation, skin disease, urinary disease, inflammation, dehydration, and sluggishness. Now, a couple more things for self-care. In Dinacharya, nose care. In Ayurveda, they have a whole section on how to take care of the nose. Let's talk about nasya. Nasya is nose care done regularly or seasonally with the administration of a special oil called anu tailam. There are other things that can be administered, but this is the most common. For small daily use, 2 drops of this warm oil are dripped into each nostril with the head tipped back, and the drops of oil are snipped back into the nasal cavity and allowed to drain back while reclined for a few minutes. Spit out all the secretions. Sometimes a person might cough or gag or sneeze or feel a little tingly or tickly sensation in the throat. But this self-care practice reduces excessive doshas and toxins from the head, neck, sinus. It improves smell, nourishes the facial region. It definitely reduces mental problems and rejuvenates the brain, endocrine glands, and balances neurotransmitters. A full professional nausea treatment is recommended for receiving individualized assessment and instruction as well as supervision before performing nausea self-care at home. Don't forget about ear care. In Ayurveda, it's suggested to apply 1 drop of warm oil in each ear daily or seasonally as directed. Sesame oil is excellent for ear care. There's also specialty ear oils. This practice reduces tinnitus, ringing in the ear. It reduces hearing loss, ear dryness. It reduces tympanic mandibular jaw pain, popping. It also lessens earwax, impaction, and neck pain. But before we finish up, I also want to discuss eye care and body care. Eye care in Ayurveda is done with oils, ghee, honey, and medicated decoctions or kajal. Kajal is a special ash and oil or ghee mixture. It resembles eyeliner and is applied in the waterline. Other preparations are applied to the eyes, such as strained and purified triphala water or purified triphala ghee, or even sometimes pure honey is applied to the lower lid waterline. These practices moisturize, tonify, or reduce excessive doshas in the eyes. Ayurvedic professional eye therapy treatment called netra basti can be performed by submerging the eyes in warm specialty oils contained inside a dough eye dam. Last subject on Dinacharya, body massage, abhyanga. In Ayurveda, they say that we really can benefit tremendously by massaging warm oils into the marmas of the body. This can be done on a regular basis at home to impart firmness and tone to the limbs and tissues. It smooths the skin, decreases the effects of aging, sagging, and lubricates the joints. Abhyanga, warm oil marma massage, also promotes good circulation, improved prana. It stimulates the internal organs and promotes proper flow of lymph fluids and detoxification of impurities from the body. Abhyanga soothes the nerves and relaxes the nervous system. It reduces stress, promotes better and deeper sleep. Abhyanga of the scalp makes hair grow more luxuriously, thick and soft and glossy. Whether performing abhyanga on yourself or having it done professionally, usually the massage is performed over the scalp, the face, the neck, the arms, the hands, chest, abdomen, back, legs, and feet. And this therapy activates and allows stored or blocked prana to flow appropriately through the marmas, the energy centers of the body. Start by warming up your oil, and then meticulously massage all the different body parts of the entire body. Give extra special attention to the abdomen too, gently massaging clockwise from the right down and to the left. Oh, and don't forget the feet. They're very important.